Want to make money online but think it's too hard or expensive? Think again. Today, I'll show you a simple free method to earn $150 a day. No special skills or software needed. All you need is a computer and internet connection. This works for anyone, anywhere, even if you've never made a dollar online. I'll break down every step so it's easy to follow. We'll use free tools, starting with Google Trends to find what's hot right now. Then we'll create short, news-style YouTube videos about these trending topics. No need to show your face or use your own voice. This is about working smart, not hard, using the internet to your advantage. Imagine waking up to new money in your account, earned while you slept. We'll build a real online income stream, one simple step at a time. Consistency is key. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but the process is simple. I've seen many succeed with this strategy, and now it's your turn. Forget what you thought you knew about making money online. Let's start your journey to financial freedom. We'll create a YouTube channel and make short, easy videos on trending news. People love staying updated. You'll give them what they're searching for. Just a little time each day can change your income. Ready to learn how to make $150 a day? Let's get started. Your path to financial freedom is just a few steps away. Follow along, and let's begin this exciting journey together. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find out what people are talking about right now. Use Google Trends at trends.google.com to see what's hot on the internet. This tool shows you the top search topics of the day, a goldmine for content ideas. Don't guess what people want, use real data. Click on the Trending Now section to see the most searched topics. Look for topics with lots of recent news articles. These are in high demand. Avoid complex or controversial topics at first. Stick to simple, popular news. Make a quick list of 2 or 3 trending topics each day. Choose one that interests you. It's easier to create content you care about. Check the search interest graph and related news for more context. The goal: act fast. Trending news moves quickly, so timing is everything. Spend 10-15 minutes daily on Google Trends to find your topic. This habit is the foundation of your daily earnings. The right topic means more views and more income. Once you've picked your topic, you're ready for the next step. Remember, this is the most important part of the process. Do it right, and you're on your way to success. Don't overthink, just pick a hot topic and move forward. Consistency here pays off big time. Let's move on to turning news into your content goldmine. Stay focused, and let's keep building. Ready for the next step? Let's go. On to content creation. Got your trending topic? Now, gather the story. Use Google News to find 2 or 3 articles about your topic. Read them and pull out the main facts. What happened, who's involved, why it matters. Focus on the most interesting details and quotes. Don't copy. Just use these articles for research. Take notes in your own words, like prepping for a school report. Use multiple sources to get a complete picture. Copy key facts into a document. Don't worry about perfect order yet. This step should take 15 to 20 minutes. Your goal: collect the essential info for your video. The more concise and clear your notes, the easier the next step will be. You're building the foundation for your unique script. Don't get bogged down, just gather what you need. Once you have your notes, you're ready to create your script. Let's turn your research into a compelling story. Next up, using AI to write your script fast. Let's get creative. With your notes ready, it's time to write your video script. Don't worry, AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini can help, and many are free. Copy your research notes and paste them into your chosen AI tool. Use a prompt like, rewrite these notes into a 300-word YouTube news script in a friendly, engaging tone. The AI will generate a unique script in seconds. Read through the result, make small edits for clarity and flow. Add your personal touch to make it sound natural. This step saves hours and keeps your content fresh. Edit until you're happy with the script. Now you have a ready-to-use script for your video. Repeat this process daily for new trending topics. AI makes content creation fast and efficient. You're now ready to give your script a voice. No need to be a professional writer. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Consistency and speed are your secret weapons. Next, let's turn your script into a professional voiceover. You're almost ready to bring your video to life. Let's keep going. Now let's add a voice to your script. No need to record yourself. Use free text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs, Narrakeet, or Clipchamp. Paste your script, pick a realistic voice, and adjust speed or pitch as needed. Choose a clear, confident voice that fits your new style. Generate and download the MP3 audio file. It's quick, easy, and sounds professional. No microphone or recording skills required. Save your audio file in your project folder. You've got your script and your voiceover, fast and free. Next, let's find visuals to match your story. Time to make your video engaging. A voiceover alone isn't enough. Your video needs visuals. Find short, relevant clips on YouTube and TikTok that match your story. Use free screen recorders like OBS Studio to capture 5 to 10 second segments. Mix clips from different sources for variety and fair use. TikTok offers dynamic, eye-catching content. Download short clips with free tools. Also, grab Creative Commons images from Google Images or take screenshots. Aim for 10-15 clips and images per video. Keep everything organized in a project folder. These visuals will make your video look like a real news report. Don't overcomplicate. Just gather what fits your story. Now, let's put it all together in the editor. Ready to edit? Let's go. Time to assemble your video. No expensive software needed. Use free editors like CapCut or Clipchamp. Import your voiceover, video clips, and images. Drag your audio onto the timeline. It's the backbone of your video. Add visuals to match the narration, changing every 5 to 7 seconds to keep it dynamic. Trim and arrange clips for a smooth flow. Add text overlays for headlines or captions. Use simple transitions. Clean and professional is best. Once you're happy, export your video as an MP4. You've created a complete, professional-looking video. Editing is easier than you think. Just follow the steps. Now, let's upload and start earning. You're almost there. Your video is ready. Time to share it with the world. Upload to your YouTube channel. Create one free if you haven't. Write a catchy title with keywords and a clear, keyword-rich description. Make a bold thumbnail using free tools like Canva. Publish your video and repeat this process daily. Consistency is key. The more videos, the more views. At first, views may be low, but keep going. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, join the YouTube Partner Program. You'll start earning ad revenue. $150 a day is within reach. This method costs nothing but your time. Anyone, anywhere can do this. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your channel grow. Your online income journey starts now.